Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss, we are going to learn about the probability, which is one of the important part in our every competitive examinations. We expect 4 or 5 questions from this probability, and it is very simple, very easy to do if we understand the basic concept and the basic formulas. Let us see what is probability. So see, probabilities. Before going to discuss about this, we should know some basic words, basic concepts, terms. We can say, let us say, events. Next, sample spaces. What is event? What are sample spaces? What is probability of an event? Probability of an event. So let's see. Suppose we are tossing a coin. By tossing a coin, we can get either head or a tail. We can get by tossing a coin, either we get a head or a tail. So the total number, this is one event, this is another event, and this is the total sample spaces. So sample spaces is here 2. Sample spaces is here 2, and H is one event, T is 1. So these are events. This is sample space. Is it right? This is a sample. So probability of an event. So see here, in this case, by tossing a coin, we get 2 observations. One is head, another is tail. The possibility of head is either head, it may be head or it may be tail. The possibility of head is what? Out of 2, total 2 possibility, 1 head, so 1 by 2. Possibility of head we can say is equal to 1 by 2. Possibility of tail is equal to what? 1 by 2. And together equal to 1 plus half. Half plus half is equal to 1. Though together they form make 1. So see here, events is written as E, sample space is written as S, and the probability of an event is written as PE. Okay. So see, again speaking, by tossing a coin we get 2 things, 2 possibilities. One is head, another is tail. The possibility of head is 1, and either it may be head or it may be tail, but 1 head will be there, either it may be 1 tail will be there. So total out of sample space, head, tail, 2. So probability of head or possibility of head is 1/2, and possibility of tail is also first. So together they make 1 event. So see, we can write formula: probability of an event is equal to event by sample space. So this is the formula, basic formula for probability, any kind of formula. Okay. So probability of an event, PE, probability of an event, number of events, we can say it can say number of events by sample spaces, or we can say total sample spaces. So this is the formula. So let us do some math regarding this formula. Find, question number 1, find the probability of head when single coin is tossed. See solution, let us do. So we know that when a single coin is tossed, a single coil is equal to 2 sample spaces, that is S is equal to 2. So we are going to find the probability of head. So probability of head is equal to what? Probability of head is equal to what? So we know that probability of head is equal to H by S. So we know that by touching a coil there will be one head. So by touching a coil it may be head or it may be tail by single touching. So possibility of H is 1, possibility of T is 1. So we can write 1 by 2. So this is the answer. This is the answer. The probability of this head is equal to this. Similarly, you can say, if question will ask what is the probability of tail, then we can say probability of tail is equal to tail by sample space, that is also 1 by 2. That is also 1 by 2. So this is the question number 1. Let us do some more questions. Question number 2. Find the probability of a head, probability of one head when two coins are tossed. Two coins are tossed simultaneously. Two coins are tossed simultaneously. When two coins are tossed simultaneously, then sample space will be what? Suppose coin 1, coin 2. So coin 1, coin 2 is there. It may come head or it may come tail. It may come head, it may come tail. So total number of sample spaces is what? Is equal to 4. Total number of sample spaces is 4. But question is asking what is the probability of getting one head? Probability of getting one head. So probability of getting one head. So what is the probability of getting one head? So we can say, you see, here is one, here is another tail. तो कॉइन 1 में टेल आ सकता है, इट में भी आ सकता है. तो पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ इवेंट हम कैसे बोला सकते हैं? सपोज इसमें आएगा हेड हो सकता है, नंबर 1. हेड टेल हो सकता है, नंबर 2. टेल हेड हो सकता है, नंबर 3. एंड टेल हो सकता है. These are the possible outcomes. These 4 possible outcomes are these 1, 2, 3, 4 by touching two coins. So yeah, remember it. So we are given find one head. So one head मतलब here we are getting one head, here also getting two heads. So 1 and 2. तो 2 here event, possible event is what? Equal to. So let us write the solution. So see, so probability of event is equal to possible outcomes by total number of sample spaces. So we can say 2 here E is equal to 2 by total is 4. So 2 1 are 1, 2 2 are 4, so 2 half. So this is the answer. So getting of one by find the probability of one head by touching two coins simultaneously is 1/2. Is it right? Let us do some more questions. Find the probability of at least one head when two coins are tossed simultaneously. Two coins are tossed simultaneously. Let us see, when two coins are tossed simultaneously, the sample space, how will you get the sample space, total number of sample space? So we know that for one coin S is equal to 2, for two coin total number of sample space is equal to 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. तो ये सम मिल गया, तो we got the here S, but we are getting at least one head, at least one. Then find the combination. What are the combination for sample spaces? Either it may be head, or it may be head tail, or it may be tail head, or it may be tail tail. That means when you are talking that if one kind gives head, another can give also give. If one kind is H is coming, then another it may be tail to other. So if in one kind it is T, then others it is H, then it may be both tail. So see, we are going to find the at least one head. At least one head means at least one. At least at most we are not talking about at least. So at least one head means, so we are going to find 1, 2, 3. So these are the possible events. At least one, at most head. So when the at least head is given, सबसे कम हमको एक हेड होना चाहिए, तो इसलिए टू हेड भी इट इज कमिंग. वी कैन ऑल्सो टेक टू हेड्स, बट वी आर नॉट गिवन एट मोस्ट हेड्स, सो वी कैन काउंट दिस. सो 1, 2, 3. तो हियर E is equal to 3. So let us see, find probability of the event is equal to 3 by total number of sample spaces is equal to 4. This is the answer. So this is all about today's class. Next class we will discuss problems regarding rolling of dice and picking of cards or picking of balls, and like this other areas of this probability. Bye.